Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix printer error code 0x800706BA on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the printer error code 0x800706BA problem on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on the search menu, then type here services, then click on the services. In this, you need to find print spooler. Select any one of the service, then press PQ, then press P alphabet. Here you will find print spooler, right click on that, click on restart. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just click on search menu, then type here control panel, click on control panel, then click on uninstall a program. Before uninstalling your printer driver, you have to do another step, that is you have to just click on search menu, then type here print management. After opening the print management, select all printers in the left side, then come to the right side. You need to find your problematic printer. If you are using multiple printers, select the printer which you are facing the issue. After that, then delete that printer. Then open the control panel, select your printer driver, right click on that, then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall again. Then your printer software will be removed. Then open your Chrome browser, then visit the original website of your printer, then download the software from that website. After downloading, just install. After installing, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix printer error code 0x800706BA on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.